Here, curiosity knows no limits. Do you think you've seen everything on our planet? Well, get ready. Because today you're about to discover the 7 most absurd, mysterious, and completely unexplainable phenomena of nature. Phenomena so bizarre that not even science can fully understand them. And I challenge you, try not to be left speechless by the end of this video. Let's begin, because number 7 will already blow your mind. Imagine a place where it simply never stops lightning. At Lake Maracaibo, in Venezuela, there are more than 280 lightning strikes per hour. This has been happening for centuries, and to this day, no one can explain how this storm never goes out. It's like the sky itself is stuck in an eternal short circuit. Scientists talk about gases, humidity, and bizarre atmospheric conditions, but the real secret remains a mystery. What would you do if you woke up in the middle of the desert and saw everything completely covered in snow? This happens almost every year in a city called Ain Sefra, in Algeria, where a powerful cold front hits the Sahara, transforming that sea of sand into a surreal white landscape, as if fire and ice were meeting in the same place. It sounds like a lie, but it's real. In the city of Yoro, in Honduras, a surreal phenomenon happens. Fish literally fall from the sky. Every time there's a strong storm, hundreds of fish show up in the streets, leaving both locals and scientists completely puzzled. The most accepted theory is that waterspouts suck the fish from rivers. But to this day, no one has ever actually seen that happening. Total mystery. Have you ever imagined looking at the ocean and seeing it literally on fire? This already happened in the Gulf of Mexico, when cracks on the ocean floor released so much methane that a single spark was enough to turn the sea into flames. A true liquid hell in the middle of the ocean. And the scariest part is that this phenomenon could happen again, at any moment. In Death Valley, in the United States, there's a phenomenon so strange, it seems impossible. Rocks that simply move on their own. No wind, no help, no tricks. They slide for kilometers, leaving perfect trails in the sand. The most accepted explanation is a thin layer of ice combined with wind. But to this day, no one has ever recorded the exact moment when a rock starts to move. Lake Natron in Tanzania is beautiful, but absolutely deadly. Its water is so alkaline and filled with minerals that any animal entering it simply turns to stone. The lake has a calcifying effect so intense that it turns birds, fish, and even mammals into perfect statues, as if time itself stopped right there forever. Imagine looking at the sky and seeing what looks like a spaceship, massive, perfectly still. Lenticular clouds are insanely perfect formations that occur when wind flows over mountains, creating these layered disc-shaped clouds so perfect that they look like CGI. And yes, they've made a lot of people believe they were seeing a UFO. And now tell me, do you think nature has already revealed all of its secrets? Or does our planet still hold mysteries far beyond our understanding? Here, curiosity knows no limits. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't, subscribe anyway. Who knows, maybe it gets better.